Hello everyone, today we were going to create another custom hook in React. This time we will create useNetworkStatus hook. This hook helps us track the user's network status so we can provide better feedback when the user goes offline or comes back online. If you haven't seen my previous video on creating the useDarkMode hook, make sure to check it out on my channel. Let's get started. Okay, open our code, and before we'll start creating our hook, let's clear our app component. Okay, and now we can create new file. Name this file useNetworkStatus. Okay, and also add extension, and we can close our useDarkMode hook and use local storage hook. Okay, and this time we need two React hooks. Import this hook. We need useState and useEffect. Okay, and now we can start creating our custom hook. Create new variable, and we can copy name our file and pass here, and also create function. This function won't have any arguments, and first we can create state our user online or our user offline. Create new variable, and we can name this state is online. Okay, and now we can call our useState, and we can use in global object. It names navigator, and we need property online. Okay, our state is ready, and next step we need to create useEffect, and inside our useEffect we'll create our listeners. Call our useEffect and create function and array. We don't need any dependencies, and let's create our first listener. We'll be using global object window and method add event listener. We need to listen our event online. Okay, and when our user will be online, we need to change our state. Let's create new function. We can name this function handle online and call our set is online, add argument true. And now we can add this function like our second argument for our listener. Okay, and now we need to do the same for our offline event. We can duplicate this code, but change event. We need listener offline and duplicate this function, but now we need to write in offline. And if our user will be offline, we need to switch off our state at false, and also add this function here. Okay, our listeners are ready, and next step we need to think about our optimization, and when our component will be unmounted, we need to remove our listeners. We can create return and arrow function, copy this code, and now we need to change method delete add, and now we need remove. Okay, our hook is ready, and also let's add export. And now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Again, open our app.jsx and create new variable. Call this variable is online, and now we can call our hook. Okay, and now let's to create some markup. Create paragraph tag and create condition if our user online, print online, else print offline. Okay, and let's look at the window. Okay, like you see, it doesn't work because I forgot to return our value. Let's return our state and let's try again. Like you see, now I'm online, and let's try to switch off our network. We can open our network and open setting, and here we can switch offline. Like you see, our hook works, and we created a custom hook useNetworkStatus hook to track the user network status. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. See you in the next lesson.